Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be doing my Trading 212 portfolio update. And I've had a lack of videos over the last few weeks due to various personal issues, but I'll be hoping to get at least one video out again as from maybe next week. So I'm back with this video now, showing you how my portfolio is done. Usually I do these weekly, but I'll be showing you how I've done in the last month really, as it's been about 2 or 3 weeks since my last update now. So the portfolio has been doing quite a bit better. You can see I'm slightly in the green now, £25 up, almost 1% up in the green, mainly due to one stock, which we'll get into. So in the last month, we're up about maybe about 1% up, maybe a little bit more than 1% up overall, which is quite good. And then on the 3 months, we're doing a lot better. As you can see, that back down here in May, we're down £400 or 15% down. And so hopefully we can see a bit more rises in the portfolio. So the first stock on the list, which I'll show you, is AbbVie. AbbVie haven't been doing too great in the last month. They are down just 0.67%. Even in the last 3 months, they're still down. So I did recently buy an extra share of AbbVie to take my shares to 4.6 now. So my average cost is 82, almost £83. This is a stock I hold for the decent growth we get year over year, which has been 24% over the last year, and they also pay a really great dividend yield of 130 cents per share and a dividend yield of 4.6%, which is pretty good as well. So this company, a great company. Balance sheets tick the boxes, great revenues and earnings. So this is a stock I'll be holding for at least a good few years anyway, and try and build up that dividend in this with the amount of shares in this company. So next is the stock that really is holding my portfolio together at the moment, which is Apple. Who are in the month quite solid again, a bit of consistent growth, up just over 3%. You can see it's fluctuating as I'm doing this video while the stock market is live, so around 3.5% in the last month growth, and in the last 3 months overall up 13.3%. Again, a stock I'm holding for the long term. They posted another great earnings report recently in the last week or so. So I have 10 shares and I'm currently up 13.76% or £128 with Apple. This is again another stock up 30% almost in the last year, which is really good rate of return. I've held this stock since January and I'm already up 13% with them. So hopefully this time next year we can be at least double that. So that's the second stock on the list, which is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Then next is Bionanogenomics, a stock I've talked quite a lot about in the portfolio updates and in individual stock videos. Been not doing too bad. In the last month, they're down 5%, but they seem to have picked it up again in this last week, up almost 5% from what they was at a week ago. So they're at $6.22 now. Down 7% with them at the moment. This is a long-term hold. As I've said a lot of times in previous videos, I don't want to get too much into it, why I hold these, but I've got a lot of other couple of videos on this stock directly and also in my other portfolio updates. So 132 shares, and my average cost at £4.08. So that's Bionanogenomics, ticker symbol BNGO. So next is another one of my dividend sort of paying companies that I'd like to hold, which is BA Tobacco, ticker symbol BATS. I'm down just over 5.5% at the moment with these. As you can see, the last year the price has fluctuated quite a while. Not really the most ethical company to invest in, and it may be another good chance to buy this stock if, as revenues and earnings are still really good with this company. Also trying to make more ways with regards to selling cigarette products without the tobacco in. So that's another thing you've got to watch out for with this stock. It's not just the tobacco. They are trying to find out, let's say, more healthier ways, but with smoking. So I'm down at the moment 5% or £8, so it's not too much for them. So 5.3 shares owned, another great dividend payer. So that's BA Tobacco, the next stock on the list. Next up is IBM Corporation, ticker symbol IBM. Again, good, decent bit of growth, stock 30% in the year, and this is mainly again a stock I hold for the dividend, pay a really good dividend, 164 cents per share. So I currently own 2 shares of this stock, and I'm down just under 3%. Sorry, got to come think what I was going to say then. Yeah, so this is again a long-term hold, really great company, great earnings, balance sheets, what have you. I want to be looking to hold for the long term and hopefully build this position up and get the dividends rolling in even more. So that's the next dividend stock on my list, which is IBM. And so we have it now. We are looking at the final stock in my portfolio, which is another growth-based stock, which is Tesla. Tesla have been actually doing quite well recently. We can look at the last 3 months, up for 7.23%, up 7.89% in the last month, and in the week, 3.49%. A little bit of a dip today, but the market is still freshly open at the time I'm filming this. So 2 shares currently owned at Tesla, and my return is I'm down 3.92%, but this stock has really made a comeback for me. I was down I think I was down £300 at one point with this stock back in, if we have a look, I think it was around about May time when they got down to below $600. I think it was even lower than that. They got on to $500 mark, round about there. So I'm pleased with the progress at Tesla. Another stock I look to hold for as long as I'm in the profit, to be honest. I've got ideas where I want to keep all this stock, but I always have to wait and see. Other ideas with this money in this stock, maybe to switch over to crypto and buy an ethereum coin if I can get hold of one of them. We'll just have to wait and see what the plan is with the money that's in this stock. But for now, I want to make sure I get in the groove with it, and then we'll just go from there and see what I want to do. So that's the next stock on the list, which is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. So that is it for the portfolio update, guys. I'm sorry I've obviously, like I said at the start of the video, I've not been able to do as many updates recently. But I'll be definitely getting back on track with them. As from now, more portfolio updates, more individual stock analysis, and also as well, don't forget to let me know what you think of this video in the comments, guys. Let me know what you think of the stocks and any of the ideas I mentioned with regards to the Tesla money. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, don't forget to drop a like as well. All these things do help the channel and get it boosted out to even more people. So on that note today, guys, I'm going to leave you to it. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye.